Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope that this video is reaching you guys some great health and strength, total lots of love, joy, peace, and God protection, His guidance, and all of His wonderful and amazing and great things that He has to offer you. So in this video today, I wanted to show you how I came up with this eye look right here. My eyes are running because I don't know, every time I try to do an eyeshadow look, my eyes always does this to me. Oh my gosh. So the eye look that you will be seeing is this. Yeah, I haven't worn eyeshadow in a very long time, and I felt like I needed to just do something. I felt the need to just play with some makeup, play with some color. So this is what I came up with. I hope that you will enjoy the video. I don't want the intro to be too long. I will see you in another video very soon. Enjoy, and if you feel the need to share it, if you do recreate this, please tag me here on Instagram so I can see and give you some love. All right, yeah, so subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you soon. God bless you. Hi, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've done a video, and so today I will be doing a makeup video. I want to play with some makeup. Let's get started. The first thing I am going to be trying out is this Pixie tonic. What's this? The Glow Tonic. I've been meaning to give this a try, but it's $50, and I picked it up at Target. It has 5% glycolic acid exfoliating toner. I already washed my face and everything. I'm gonna take a nice little cotton pad, and it says it is alcohol free, and that's a really good thing. Tone this face. Ooh, smells nice. It smells really good. Glowing? Am I glowing? Am I glowing? I'm gonna put on some lip balm. I am going to do my eyebrows off camera, and I will be back. I finished filling in my brows, applying my primer, and I'm using the Smashbox photo finish. I really like this primer because it's silicone based, and it really sits nice, and the skin smooths out the skin really nice for foundation application. And yeah, so face feeling nice and smooth. You don't feel like sandpaper. Yeah, what that I will be using is the Take Me to Brazil 2 palette. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to do one eye, and then I'm gonna come back on camera and do the other eye, show y'all what I did. So be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. This is what I did. Yes, I'm gonna show you how I created this eye look right here. First thing that I did was I put some primer on my eyes, and the primer that I used is the NARS smudge proof eyeshadow base. You don't have to use the exact primer that I used. You can use whatever primer you have, but I put it all over my lid, and then I blended it out with my finger. You don't have to do it neatly. You just put it all over your lid like this, right? All over in the crease and so. Put it out with your finger like this. It doesn't have to be neat. Try not to get it above the crease, right? But yeah, blend it out. I took a fluffy brush like this, and this is from Morph. And I went into my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I took this color right here, this pink right here, into my crease like this, all the way in, and I just blended it to the front and to the back. So I did it like this, just blend it into the crease. This is the transition color, and when you're blending it, you just want to do it in circular motions, because when you do it in circular motions, it helps to make it look a little bit more seamless, you know. And you can build this up however you want it. If you want to make it brighter, you can do so, but make sure you blend it really well, and you blend from the outer V to the inner corner. So, and then when you're coming back, you want to come back like this in circular motions. I took this angled brush right here, and this brush is from Royal and Langnickel. I got this from Walmart. And then I went into this eggplant purple right here, and this is a really good brush. Picked up the product, dust off the excess, and then I applied that directly into the crease like this, and I blended it all the way to the front of my eye, or the inner corner of my eye, the front. So, and you want to do this with a very light hand, right? And also in circular motion. As I applied the colors, I blended as well, you know. So that's what you want to do. You want to apply your colors and blend at the same time. So I'm gonna go back into the transition color and just apply a little and just blend it out. And it's all about application and blending. Blending is the most important thing when you're applying eyeshadow. You want to make sure that, you know, you're blending properly. And so my lid color, I took a eyeshadow brush, and this is from Bedelian Tools. No, Eco Tools, and I went into this color right here, this green. I'm going to press it on, like so. Press it on onto the lid. Make sure the white is covered. I went a little up into the crease. My eyes run, so I'm gonna have a problem. So excuse that. I know this one eye is very sensitive. Not very, but it's sensitive when it comes to this eyeshadow stuff. Right? And you want to take the brush that you applied the purple, and you want to like blend that out, because you want to make sure everything is looking somewhat seamless. Yeah. And you can apply as much as you want to make it as pigmented as you like. And I'm going to make sure that both eyes look the same. Good. Now you want to go back into the purple and apply some purple to the outer V and blend that into the crease like this. Now you don't want to apply too much though. Now I'm going to apply some eyeliner, and I'm going to do a wing, but not a dramatic wing, just a small wing. And the eyeliner that I'm using is by NYX. It's their liquid matte eyeliner.
I took my glitter liner also by NYX, and this is silver, and I went on top of that. Let me zoom in a bit so you can see what I'm doing. So, very precisely.
That is drying. I'm going to apply the jumbo eye pencil on my lower lash line.
Angle, something with an angle. Okay, you want to blend that out. Make sure that it's, not so blotchy.
I went into the lid color and applied that on the inner part like so. And what I love about this palette is that the colors are super duper pigmented, you know. Then I'm going to take the purple and apply that to the outer part. Take some of this gold glitter liner and apply that on top of the silver as well. I'm going to take some of this black pencil and just fill in my waterline just to make the eyes look a bit smaller. I'm going to take this color right here. Alright, so for mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I am not going to be putting on false lashes. I don't wear them. So if you are following this video and trying to do this look, you can go ahead and put on your falsies at this point. But the last thing I'm going to do is to highlight my brow bone, and I am going to go into my Tartelette in Bloom palette, and I'm going to take Smarty Pants, which is this color right here, and I'm going to put that on my brow bone. This brings me to the end of the eye look. And I am going to go do my face. I'll do that off camera because it's going to take up way too much time. And this is the final look. Of course, like I said, I did my face off camera, and I just wanted to tell you really quickly what I used. For foundation, I used the Ordinary foundation in the color 3.2R, and it is for deep skin tones with red undertones, and I have red undertones, and I'm darker, so thank God for that. So I used this. I love this foundation, by the way. To highlight, the concealer that I used is the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in the color Toffee, and I used it to highlight my cheekbone, the bridge of my nose, my under my nose here and around my mouth. And to set it, I used Sasha setting powder. This is their translucent setting powder that I used, and to set my entire face, I used my Bare Minerals Pro powder in Truffle 29. Alright, and to highlight and contour, I used my favorite Guyanese True Complexion contour palettes. Yeah, boy. If you don't have this, you're missing out. You need to get it. It's a good product. And for my lips, I have MAC Burgundy as a lip liner, and I have on, this is Milani. This is it. I hope you like this. You know, yeah. Yeah, this is the look, man. Alright, I'm gonna go now. Enjoy the video, and I hope you enjoyed the video. To the people that subscribe to my channel, thank you so much. And if you are going to subscribe, thank you in advance, and God bless you. I'll see you in another video very soon. Bye, take care.